Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Ford Escape cabin air filter. First, you'll need to locate your glove box. Gently release the clips on either side to allow it to lower completely. This will give you access to the filter housing. Once open, carefully remove the old filter. Remember to pay attention to the airflow arrow on the new filter before installation. This simple task can greatly improve your vehicle's air quality. To begin, open your glove box and remove any items inside. Next, gently press inward on the sides of the glove box. This action will release the stops, allowing the glove box to swing down further, revealing the cabin air filter housing behind it. You'll see a small cover, often secured by two clips. Unclip these to expose the filter itself. Now you can easily slide out the old, dirty filter. Before inserting your new cabin air filter, carefully observe the airflow arrow printed on its side. This arrow must point in the correct direction, usually downwards, to ensure proper air filtration. Slide the new filter smoothly into the housing. Once it's securely in place, reattach the housing cover, ensuring the clips snap firmly. Finally, push the glove box back into position until it clicks into its original stops. Maintaining your cabin air filter is a simple task that significantly improves your vehicle's interior air quality and the efficiency of your heating and cooling system. We recommend replacing it every 15,000 to 20,000 miles, or more frequently if you drive in dusty conditions. A clean filter helps reduce allergens and odors, making your drives more pleasant. For more great tips on managing your finances and building wealth, be sure to check out the link in the description for a fantastic book, along with other helpful deals we've curated just for you.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.